In this video, I'm going to give you a quick preview of my new product, the Personal Website Template Kit. Based on my own experience and the experience of others, I think that a personal website is the best thing you can do for your personal brand, finding a job, improving your writing or thinking skills, building an audience, and many, many more. A good personal website is kind of like a clone of you that works for you 24/7 while you eat, sleep, and play. But it's hard to actually set it all up. People are wondering what it should say, how they should build it, how to organize it all, etc. So my personal website template kit solves all of these problems, giving you a step-by-step guide with examples to write, build, and promote your personal website. So what you're looking at here is the homepage. And it includes this plus 5 other pages. And all of these pages are modeled after the best personal websites, including entrepreneurs and authors like James Clear, Ed Lattimore, Derek Sivers, and more. And notice these little squiggly brackets here. These are variables. You don't even have to really write your personal website with the kit. All you do is list out your variables, and then you fill in the blanks instead of writing on a blank page, wondering what to say. Where do you fill in these variables? In this worksheet included in your kit. You basically just have to answer a few questions and your personal website will write itself. That's how I designed it. It also comes with a 20 plus page PDF to walk you through the entire process of writing it, building it, and promoting it. I made sure to include a ton of examples, so if you ever get stuck, you can always find a really good personal website to use as a model for your own. And then most importantly, I didn't want this to be another course or book. Each section of the guide includes an action challenge so that you're actually using the kit and getting results from it. That's the whole point of having a personal website. Not just to put it up on the internet, but to use it and to have it to create results for you. So I'll include a link at the bottom of this video and I hope you check it out. And if you do decide to invest in the kit, you also get my personal advice and support so that it helps you get what you want. Hope to see you on the inside.